One of the challenges of studying world religions is that you have to learn a specialized vocabulary. Now, that's true of any field of study. When it's new to you, you have a lot of words to learn. And I don't want you to panic over these words because we'll be utilizing them over and over again, and we'll be reviewing them. But these are some of the words that come into play as we begin to look at the various understandings of religion in our world. I've written some of these key terms up on our whiteboard for you to see. The first one that we see there is animism. Animism. My understanding is that before the missionaries came to Chin State in 1899, that the Chin people were animists. Animism means believing in that all things are occupied by various spirits. The sky is occupied by some sort of spirit. The river or stream is occupied by a spirit. The animals are. Even inanimate objects like rocks are occupied by spirits, and certainly human beings are. That's animism. And then the next word that we have is polytheism. Now, three of these words, let me show you. Polytheism, and monotheism, and atheism all come from the Greek word theos, which means God. That's the word in the Greek New Testament that is translated God. So polytheism means belief in many gods, belief in many gods. Whereas monotheism, mono is one, monotheism means belief in one God. And atheism is just the opposite. It's a belief in no gods at all. Now, in between those is agnosticism, which is another Greek term. The Gnostics you will study about in some of your New Testament classes. Gnosis is the Greek word for knowledge. Agnostic means no knowledge. So in this case, agnosticism is the point of view that says we don't have enough information to make a decision about who God is or whether there is a God at all. Agnosticism says we just don't have enough information. And then our final term is syncretism. Syncretism. Most religions are to some extent syncretistic. Syncretism is blending together beliefs from different points of view, different traditions. Hinduism would be the most syncretistic world religion, but as I say, all religions are to some extent syncretistic. As they move into different parts of the world, they will adapt themselves to the prevailing belief systems of the people who are already there and who are becoming converted to their point of view. It's not just that people completely convert, they usually carry something of their former belief system with them, and that's called syncretism.